name is Alex Cecilio. I'm a graphic artist, and I'm going to show you how to draw a feather in Photoshop. Add a dot, hold shift, and whichever way you want your feather to go, just do something like that. So that you've got this kind of cone and point. Okay, so then I'm going to add another layer. You're actually going to add this layer below the layer you just drew. And I'm going to use the pen tool, and you can do this any way you want, but I prefer to use the freeform pen tool. And the freeform pen tool is right below the pen tool. So you go to pen tool and then freeform. And this just gives you some more flexibility with the pen tool. I'm going to make a blue feather. So the first thing I'm going to do is just draw like this. And feathers have this kind of cut in them sometimes. And then they're almost always kind of either pointed or they'll have a rounded top. Okay, so here's your basic feather shape, and then you're going to hold Control and click, and you're going to say Fill Path. Use foreground color. Okay. And there's your feather shape. And now you can go, oh yeah, and then hold Control again, click, make sure to delete path. This is really important. Once you're done drawing your path, just make sure you delete it. And there is your feather. My name is Alex Cecilio, and this is how you draw a feather in Photoshop. Thank you.